this video's topic is templates. So a template inside SolidCAM is a way for you to save the parameters you've already entered into the Operation Manager for future use. It's a way to preload all those parameters in a new toolpath. So let's create one and we'll see how that works. So I'm just going to go over and add a profile operation. So let's just put this on Mac 1, and I'm just going to choose some geometry just to get us started. So on that one line right there, let's say I just want to use the side of the tool to finish that wall, and if I go to link, it's currently using a arc lead-in, lead-out, and I would actually prefer it to use a normal lead-in, lead-out. So I'm just going to go and change that to normal on the lead-in and the lead-out. So in a future profile toolpath, I don't want to have to do that. I want this to automatically be the default setting. So how do I set that up? Well, that is the purpose of the template. I'll go up to Template and click on Save Template. Here you'll see a list of previously created templates. I'm actually just going to call this Normal Lead-In. Normal lead-in. Now, with the template, I'm saving all the parameters that I've entered into the Operation Manager. In this case, I'm saving the default settings with just the one change of, instead of using an arc lead-in, I'm using a normal lead-in. But everything else is the same. So I'm saving all those parameters. I have the additional ability to actually save the tool data as well. So the tool selection and the feeds and speeds that I've entered into the Operation Manager. In this case, though, my sole purpose for this template is to save the lead-in, lead-out. So I'm just going to leave that unchecked. So if I click OK on that, and let's just exit out of here, let's recreate that profile operation. So I'll go Milling Operation, Profile, choose my geometry once again. And if we go to link, we'll see that the default setting is still arc. So I haven't used my template yet. So let's go to Load Template, and we'll load the template that I just created, and that'll overwrite all the parameters. And you'll see now that it uses a normal lead-in, lead-out because I loaded that template. Let's exit out of there. You don't have to do that every time. Essentially, what I've done there is I've just created a template from that one window, or if I wanted to, I could right-click on any toolpath and go to Create Operation from Template. So I just go to Create Template, and it's the same window. It'll save all the parameters inside the Operation Manager or my tool selections. So if you wanted to, you could go open up any toolpath and go to Load Template, and it'll load a previously created template. But if I want that template to automatically load anytime I create that type of toolpath, I'll go to Settings, Template, and for our lead-in and out, that was a profile operation. And I just choose from the list of templates that I've previously created. In this case, there's my normal lead-in, lead-out. So I'll just click on that, click OK. And now when I go to create that profile operation, add milling, profile, we'll see that it automatically preloaded that template. And if I go to link, it'll show us that those parameters have been preloaded. So those are the part level settings. Of course, the part level settings are really just a copy of the global settings. So if I would like that template to be preloaded on all my future parts inside SolidCAM, I just need to go to my SolidCAM settings. So we'll go SolidCAM settings. Again, we'll go to the template section, click on profile, and we'll see that my previously created tool templates are right there. So I'll just click on lead in, click OK, and that will save that template for all my future profile operations. This is a great way to recreate toolpaths over and over again with new geometry, and you maintain your original programming strategies.